Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale which is on this Web3 AI. So before starting the video I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here we are on the website and you can check out it is listed on CoinMarketCap. Explore, trade and scale the AI way. Multiple tools to help you analyze, protect and grow your crypto assets. So you can check this out. Product is really good. It's closing in on 8 million raised now. 9 is now open. 24 billion plus tokens are security secured and the current price is 0.000443. Stage 9 is live. They have raised 8.89 million so far. Down here you can check out the details such as multi-level AI market analysis, flexible integration and scalability, all in one comprehensive solution, as well as advanced on-chain and off-chain analytics. You can check out unleash the power of your crypto investments through Web3 AI solutions. They are providing DeFi yield farming advisors, AI crypto trading bots, crypto news aggregator and much more. The token utility includes use WAI within the product, receive Web3 AI revenue share, contribute to the product development, as well as you can see the details such as what you can actually do with WAI, access powerful AI tools, early access and community voting, as well as unlock higher user tiers with the product as well. Down here you can check out the tokenomics of the product. For pre-sale they have reserved 50% of the supply. For liquidity and ecosystem they have reserved 25%. For treasury and reward they have reserved 20% of the supply, and for team and strategic growth they have reserved 5% of the supply. So join the Web3 AI pre-sale. Current price is 0.000443, listing price is 0.005242, and expected returns on investment is 1182%. Their future listing is on Mexi, CoinGate, IO, Bitget and much more. The graph of the growth is shown here. So soon you will see some of the audits such as Certic Audit, Hacken as well as Cyberscope. The part to innovation is shown here. You can check out the roadmap of the product here. Each and everything is shown here. The roadmap is up to Q4 of 2025. Down here you can check out the partners of the product. It includes Halving Capital, Marshland, Shimla Capital, as well as they are backed by Scale, CyberConnect, OpenAI, Google Cloud, Solana, Crypto APIs and much more. Also they have already answered some of the frequently asked questions that are coming in your mind, such as what is the value of Web3 product for end users, how can you use the WAI tokens, what is AI trading assistance and how does it work, how can you be sure that WAI token is safe. Each and everything is already answered by them. Down here you can check out their social media handles such as Twitter, Telegram as well as Instagram handle. So if you are interested into the product, make sure you join their social media handles, because new news about the product will come right there, and the developers of the product are also part of the community. You can directly talk to them. So if you like the product, make sure you do some own research as well and participate into the pre-sale if you like this product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.